तृणमूल काँग्रेस कितें करता कितें ना हाचेर आमकां उलोवपाची कांयच उमेद ना. मात ह्या वेळार हांव एक सांगीन, काँग्रेस पक्ष सोडून लुईजीन फालेरो रिटायरमेंट पॅकेज घेतल्या अशें गिरीश चोडणकर उलयला. RDX खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
NCP, I had a meeting with the NCP president already, and the talks are on with various other groups also.
This one different sort of a question. I did tweet Ela. I know I'm asking from TMC, nominating former Chief Minister of Goa and ex-Congressman Lujin Falero to Rajya Sabha.
So what TMC do, I think it's none of our business actually to react on that. What TMC is doing, whom they are appointing, but only one statement that Dinesh ji and myself has said, that he has taken a retirement package, and if it is true what you are saying, that means what Dinesh ji and we have said, that Mr. Falero has taken a retirement package by resigning from Congress and joining TMC. That has come true.